finally we have arrived to Burano Island, and we were super hungry, so that we decided to grab some snacks. And if you want to know more where we had our lunch, then the link at the top, and I would highly recommend that restaurant to you whenever you are here in Burano Island. So behind me, you can see each house has a different shade, different color. So if you guys don't know the reason behind it, then let me just help you out with that. So in late 50s, fishermen whenever were out for a fishing, and during the winter time it was super foggy for them. They could not recognize their own houses. That's when they come up with this methodology or this concept, or I would say the idea, to print each house with the bright color shade so that they can locate their houses in person. And that color was, I mean, the color combination was helpful for them to create the environment which was bright, so that even if they are still in the water, on the water, they could locate their houses. I mean, they could locate this Burano Island from the outside itself. So yes, in this video we are going to cover the street markets and everything what we see at the in the Burano Island. So just let us take a walking tour.
The best possible way to explore Burano Island is on foot because streets are super narrow. There is a hardly space in between two buildings, and if you want to explore entire Burano Island, it will hardly take you guys 2 or 3 hours on foot. So it is not super big island. Now talking about how can you reach to Burano Island are on a different level of topic because it does not have any alternative mode of transportation to be reached here. Either it could be via water taxis or water buses. And if you guys want to know how can you purchase your water buses ticket, then I have prepared another video which is indicating, or let's say popping up at this point on top of this video. Then I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video before you plan your Burano and Burano trip.
Across from the city center, it is like a 5 minutes walk towards the Bappi's house. So all over the Burano Island, if you roam around, you will find this is the only unique house because it has a square, triangle, and each and every geometrical shape available on this wall. It is because it was made by Papi by himself in back in 15th centuries. So he was crazy behind films, and therefore he decided to do something unique with his own house. And you can still see the creativity behind me, which is totally amazing. And earlier it was a, or I would say the property was managed in their family itself, but in late 90s it was sold out to the B&B system, and these days this hotel is available for each and every individual to book for a night or for their vacation. So as you can see at the top, there's this website. On this website you can go and book your stay here at the Burano, and that's something which is amazing on this Burano Island. And if you want to know more what we have interesting in this video, just follow us and watch this video till the end.
It is not only about exploring Burano on foot, it is also trying their local cuisine because Burano is an island, and for sure seafood will be the priority of Burano Island. So we have tried this seafood platter. It was super delicious and yum, but if you guys are the one who does not prefer to go for a seafood, then they also serve Italian pizza, for which I have also prepared another video, from baking dough till preparing your final pizza. If you guys are interested, then I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video as well. But yes, that's how you can have your lunch, dinner, or whatever it is going to be. And if it is like a evening, the way we were exploring, then you can head towards the sunset point, which is like situated on the west side of Burano Island, and from there you can have a sunset view, spend your evening, but keep a track on your return Vapartos because at the time passes by, then the interval of Vapartos becomes decreasing. Then please ensure that you already keeping a track on your return of Vapartos to be back in the Venus city center.
Hello, and yeah, it's getting freezing cold here, so we are gonna head to our hotel, and that's it about our day here in Venice. And if you have liked this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to watch our Italian series to know more about Italy. And until then, stay healthy, stay healthy. Auf Wiedersehen.